So here's how you can set an alarm on a specific date on the iPhone. So let me show you how you can do it. If you are new here and first time on Foxtecc, most definitely become part of the community by subscribing, and that way you'll never miss anything important. So a few ways, like if you go to the iPhone alarms app, you can find it right there. And of course, we don't have like any selection of the calendar in here, but to select some days, you can most definitely tap on the repeat option and choose the days of the week, right? And that is how you can basically choose a specific day of the week when the alarm is gonna go off, right? So that would be something which also kind of works. It's not like, as I said, that you can plan it in advance for like a month, but you can see that we have the days of the week and you can pick the one which you want, right? So that is one way to do that. Another possible way that people are interested in is just getting reminded about stuff and getting alarms about like specific notifications or something that they cannot forget, right? And for that, it's better to use the Reminders app where you can set up a new reminder and set up a date and a time when you specifically get the notification about it. And this, as you can tell, already gives you the ability to choose a specific date from the calendar and specifically decide when the notification is supposed to be delivered. Right, so that would be another way to do it. And also, we have the shortcuts, right? So, we have things like the ability to essentially set up a shortcut which is gonna like add alarm, right, for a specific time, and it's gonna be called something like that. And you can basically kind of set it up indirectly, meaning that you would choose a new shortcut, choose the action to be add alarm, and set up a specific time and name it however you want. But that shortcut is not gonna be run, but you set up the automation which is gonna run that shortcut at a specific time of the day in like a month from now, right? So using this indirect approach, which is a bit more complicated, you could technically set up a new alarm on a specific date into the future, but as you can see, you need to set up a shortcut as well as automation to run it. So yeah, it depends on what exactly you need, but that would also be an option, I guess. So let me know in the comments below if you found what you needed, hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.